Have you ever wondered what it's really like to live in one of the most in-demand 55 and over communities near Charleston? I'm talking about Webb Nexton, where the homes are thoughtfully designed, the lifestyle is vibrant, and the amenities are designed to help you thrive. If you're trying to figure out what kind of home you can get here, how much it costs, what daily life looks like, and whether this community really delivers on the promise, you're in the right place, because we're diving into it all, from square footage and floor plans to open concept design to resort level amenities and beyond. Webb Nexton is located in Summerville, South Carolina, just about 30 to 45 minutes from historic downtown Charleston. The location is one of the biggest draws. You're far enough out to enjoy a peaceful, master plan community feel, but you're still close enough to spend the day walking the cobblestone streets of Charleston. You can explore shops, try out world-class restaurants, or you can hit the beach. The community first opened in 2017, and today there are about 950 homes already built. Eventually, there's supposed to be around 1,400 homes in total, which is going to give you a mix of established charm and fresh construction opportunities. What really makes this place stand out are the homes themselves. Every floor plan at Webb Nexton is single-story living by design, with the option to add a second story if you want even more space. There are currently over 10 different floor plans to choose from, ranging in size from around 1,300 square feet to over 3,700 square feet when you add the second story option. Whether you're looking for a cozy walk-and-leave lifestyle or a larger home that can host family and friends all year round, there's something for you here. Let me give you a feel for some of the options. The Noir Coast is one of the most compact models, just under 1,400 square feet. It's great if you want simplicity, maybe 1 or 2 bedrooms, open living, and very low maintenance. If you're looking for something a little more open and versatile, the Mainstay and the Prestige give you larger kitchens, spacious primary suites, and that really desirable flow between indoor and outdoor living. For those who want a true luxury feel, there are plans like the Stellar or the Renown. These are the showstoppers, with gourmet kitchens, oversized walk-in closets, spa-style bathrooms, multiple living areas, and often 3-car garages. My name is Deneen. I'm a realtor here in Charleston, South Carolina, and the surrounding Low Country. As the Southern Living Yankee, I love helping people just like you buy and sell homes in the Charleston area. I specialize in helping people relocate to Charleston from out of state because I've been there and I've done it myself. I understand how exciting but still overwhelming a big move can be, but that's why I'm here, to help you every step of the way. If you're ready to make a move and you want a personalized, hands-on approach, reach out today. You can shoot me a text, send me an email, or even just pick up the phone and call. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all things Charleston and Low Country living. Every one of these homes is built around the idea of open floor plan living. And it's not just a design trend, it's a lifestyle choice that really matters, especially in a 55 and over community. Open plans create more light, more air, and more connection between the spaces where you live every day. You can be in the kitchen prepping dinner, and you can still carry on a conversation with someone that's in the living room. You don't feel boxed in, and even the cozier models feel expansive. Most kitchens in these homes have large center islands, and I mean big. These are perfect for casual dining, laying out a holiday buffet, or just having coffee with a friend. You're usually going to find quartz or granite countertops, under cabinet lighting, and plenty of storage, including walk-in pantries in most plans. And one of the most important design choices in these homes is how they connect to the outdoors. Many plans come with a covered patio or a screened lanai, and you can upgrade those spaces with ceiling fans, outdoor kitchens, and even gas fireplaces. These outdoor areas extend your living space and make it easy to enjoy Charleston's mild climate nearly year-round. Every home also includes a main floor owner suite. These are typically located in the rear of the home for added privacy and quiet. Inside, you're going to find tray ceilings, large windows, and bathrooms that truly feel like a retreat. Think walk-in tile showers, double vanities, private water closets, and massive walk-in closets. Some homes even offer dual closets in the primary suite, and if you choose to build, you can often customize shelving or storage to fit exactly what you need. Guest bedrooms are also on the main floor in most plans, and in every layout, you'll find what is called a flex room. That flex space can be anything that you need: a hobby room, a home office, a music space, or a cozy den or a reading room. And if you want even more space, every floor plan has the option to add a second floor. The second level can include an additional bedroom and bathroom, a loft, or even a private guest suite for visitors. It's perfect for when family comes to stay. They have their own space and you get to keep yours. Now let's talk about pricing. Base home prices currently range from about $379,900 to $671,900 depending on the plan you choose. But here's the thing, you need to keep in mind that that is just the base price. Most buyers add around 20 to 25% for lot premiums and design upgrades. For example, a home with a $500 base price might end up closer to $600 or $625 after you've made your design selections and chosen your lot. Some homes here have even sold for over $1 million, especially the ones with premium locations, top-tier upgrades, and expansive floor plans. What's really fun for many buyers is the design center experience. This is where you get to personalize your home. And let me tell you, the options are really impressive. You'll choose your flooring, whether that's hardwoods, tile, luxury vinyl plank, or carpet in the bedrooms. You'll get to pick out your cabinet colors, countertop styles, backsplash tiles, lighting packages, and any plumbing finishes. You can also add structural upgrades like a sunroom, an extended lanai, a zero-entry shower, or smart home features like a video doorbell and an automated thermostat. It's really all about building a home that truly fits your style and your lifestyle. So what do you get for your HOA fees? Right now, the Homeowners Association fee is about $260 per month. That covers full lawn care, so you can forget about mowing or mulching. Plus, you have access to all of the amenities, clubhouse, pools, and community events. There's also a $240 biannual fee for the Nexton Master Association, which covers the broader shared spaces in the larger Nexton community. Now, the amenities in Webb Nexton are really something special. The clubhouse is 26,000 square feet and it is packed with features. Inside, you have a heated indoor saltwater pool and hot tub, a state-of-the-art gym, a group fitness studio, multiple meeting rooms and game rooms, and a chef's kitchen that is used for cooking classes and catered events. Outside, there is a stunning resort-style pool with lounge chairs and shaded cabanas, plus tennis courts, bocce, and some of the best pickleball courts around. And the best part is that they are adding even more. A new restaurant and grill is currently being built near the pool, which is perfect for casual dining and community hangouts. They're also building more pickleball courts, and there is a large indoor activity center that is coming soon that will include basketball, indoor pickleball, and space for large-scale events and celebrations. This is a community that continues to invest in its future and the lifestyle of its residents. One thing that sets Webb Nexton apart is how much effort goes into building a real community, not just homes. There are hundreds of clubs, classes, and social groups. Whether you're into yoga, painting, water aerobics, wine tasting, or travel planning, there's a group for you. A full-time lifestyle director keeps the calendar full and organized, which means that there is always something going on and always someone new to meet. The entire community is golf cart friendly, which adds so much charm and convenience. You can take your cart to the clubhouse, visit a neighbor, or even ride over to Nexton Square, which is just a few minutes away. And it's also worth talking about too, because as a Webb Nexton resident, you're part of the larger Nexton master plan. That means that you're just minutes from restaurants, coffee shops, medical offices, boutiques, salons, grocery stores, and walking trails. You get all of the benefits of a gated 55 and over community with the added perks of a walkable, vibrant town just outside your door. One unique benefit is that Webb residents can use amenities in Midtown and Brighton Park, which are other parts of the Nexton development, But those residents can't use Del Webb's private amenities. So it's like getting a little extra flexibility without losing the exclusivity of your community. Now, I do get a lot of questions about the age requirements, so here's how it works. Only one person in the household needs to be 55 or older. Up to 20 to 25% of the community can be between the ages of 50 and 55. Children under 18 can visit for up to 30 days, and college-aged kids over 19 can stay up to 90 days. So yes, you can still have family come and visit, and there are even designated family swim hours from 3 to 5 p.m. each day. It's a great balance between keeping the adult lifestyle, but still being flexible when loved ones come into town. So who is Del Webb Nexton really for? It's for people who want low-maintenance living, but not a low-energy lifestyle. It's for people who want to stay active, connected, and surrounded by neighbors in the same stage of life. It's for those who want freedom and simplicity without having to give up comfort or quality. As someone who relocated to Charleston from Western Pennsylvania, I understand what a big move can be. It's exciting, yes, but it's also a big decision. You're not just choosing a house, you are choosing a whole new way of life. And that's why I'm here, to make that process easier, clearer, and way less overwhelming. If this community sounds like it could be a fit, I'd encourage you to keep exploring. In fact, if you're wondering whether Charleston is the right place to retire, that's what we're covering next. Check out this video where I break down the pros and cons of retiring in Charleston, including cost of living, healthcare, weather, taxes, and everything else that you need to know before making a move. The link is in the description below. Feel free to reach out so we can figure out together if Charleston is where you're meant to be. My name is Deneen. I'm a realtor here in Charleston, South Carolina, and the surrounding Low Country. As the Southern living Yankee, I love helping people just like you buy and sell homes in the Charleston area. I specialize in helping people relocate to Charleston from out of state because I have been there and I've done it myself. But I'm here to help you every step of the way. If you're ready to make a move and you want a personalized, hands-on experience, reach out today. You can shoot me a text, send me an email, or even just pick up the phone and call. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell too. Thank you so much for joining me. So long for today.